Hi folks, we are here at Caffeine and Chrome. It's a car show here at Gateway Classic Cars. I'm going to walk around, check out these beautiful classes. You ready?
I'm ready.
So let's go. So here it is, folks. It's going to be inside and outside. They've got all kinds of, look at this old, is that a 280Z right there? Love the old 280Zs. Looks like he's still getting work done to it. Very nice. It's old Mini Cooper 1000 right here. That's a classic. I love these little ones here. It's really nice. Check out this vet. See the roll cage in there and everything. Love that paint job too. See the inside. Wow, that's cool. Of course, you get the newer ones here too. I'm gonna go inside too. We've been in Gateway before. I don't know if you've seen my previous video, but they're always changing out inventory, so there's bound to be different cars in there too. That's really nice. Love that. Love that color too, the silver. Got this GTO here. That engine in there. Wow, that's crazy huge. It's Pontiac GTO right here. Very nice. More of your modern day cars here. Cool. Look at all these. We probably enter that way there, the back way. Got more up here too. Got this souped up truck here. It's a Dodge Ram Hemi. Very nice. It's beautiful right here. I love the green on this one. That's from Virginia. They came down here for the show. Schmopars. It's great. Love that. I really do like that green Whipple superchargers. And this is an old Chevrolet Custom right here, 1966. Not sure if they're going to keep it this way or not, which a lot of them do. Maybe the inside. I love the orange. Yeah, it was like it's probably still getting work done to it, getting refurbished, restored. Kind of loves these cars, the old classics. SS Chevrolet right there. Look at the carbon fiber right there. Not sure if that's probably it. Might be like real carbon fiber on this one. Nissan. This old F100 Custom here. This 440 right here. Check that out. That's so nice. Oh, CUDA. The inside here. And that's the Commando. Another CUDA here, 340. I love this one. The Barracudas. These are so nice. Look at that engine too. Size, that thing is huge. This is a beautiful car. Inside here. Walk around here. Love the window in the back too. So cool. 69. Always have the Barracuda symbol right there. You got the Z28 here. This is our Magic Z28 Camaro. And I always like the rally stripes on here. It's a beautiful Camaro. Look at the inside. Rally Super Sport. Yes. It's so nice. 302. Check out this ZL1 Camaro. Look at those Hoosier tires on there. It's like almost like it's race wet ready, you know. That's beautiful. Wow. And you get your caddy on your new Cadillacs here, ATS. So you got a little bit of everything here at this little car show. We're gonna go inside too and see what of the inventory they got in there too. There's also people showing their cars in there too, I believe. So this is customized 69 Charger Hemi that he created. This is beautiful. Look at this. So cool. All customized. And there's that Hemi right there. Wow. That's so awesome. Very creative too, how he did this. One of a kind. Wow. Then over here, FRP. Look at that. Let's get the Hemi in there too, the 345. Very nice. Love the colors on that. And you got this RS Camaro here, convertible. That is beautiful. Very nice, 396 in there, turbojet, 350 horsepower. Get a shot of the inside. Got the Hurst shifter on it as well. What do you think of that? That is beautiful. And check out this 32 Roadster right here. Got the rumble seat in the back. There's your tank. Convertible. That's beautiful. Get a shot of the inside too. Love the chrome down there. Inside here. Wow. Go inside too. See more of the cars. I really like the color of this bed right here. Let's get the LS2 in there. You get a Roadster, right? Another Roadster here. I love Roadsters. It's beautiful red. Let's get the lowered roof on there as well. Yeah, been cut down a little bit. Yeah. Get that ZZ Top vibe. Another vet here. He's pulling out, looks like. Yeah. Walking down this way. Oh, wow. Look at this Audi. That's cool. It's one of Tony Stark's cars. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love the blue. The inside of this one. Nice. It's automatic too. Got the carbon fiber on there as well. Look at this Bel Air here. Oh, Bel Air. That engine. I think it's massive. Got that hardcore radiator too. Vortec power plant. This is a Bel Air, Connie. It's not the, I can't see what year it is. And the inside there. Nice. Just chrome wheels on there. I love the rear end. At the hop. I love the lines on these. Beautiful. Another shot of it in there. It comes from Missouri. That old inspection sticker. That grill. That is so cool. Got this beautiful El Camino. Love that color too. There's the inside. Very nice. Love these El Caminos. Mullet. That's awesome. Some in. We may have seen him before. It's a good looking car. Old Impala. This Corvette, it is beautiful with that blue. The inside, I always love the inside of these. Yeah, it's nice. And there's your snacks and your caffeine. So it's caffeine and chrome, so you do have your coffee. So we're gonna do a walk around so you enjoy these wonderful cars. Here's the showroom right there. I've always had a nice showroom. So yeah, let's go walk through and just check out these beautiful cars. Shelby pickup trucks, supercharged. This one's $75,000. Shelby right there on the side. This is like completely tweaked out for sure. Look at that. Get the Cobra symbol up there too on the seats. This is a beautiful truck right here. I don't think they made many of these. There's the back here. A lot of leg room. This is great. Love this truck. Back up a little bit. There we go. Now a part of the car show too. Come inside and check out the cars here at Gateway Classics, and all these are pretty much for sale. So if you want to find out the prices of them, be sure to check out their site and their catalog. They'll have everything there, all the stats, all the information on the car. Best thing to do, yeah, is definitely go to their site and check out more details of these beautiful classics. And look who we ran into. There's Rock and Sandy from Adventures That Rock. I'll have all the information in the description as well. Yeah, they're good friends of ours, and we love running into them, and this is like a big surprise for us. She was filming, looked up, and there we were. And we had a blast bringing you the Caffeine and Chrome event here at Gateway Classic Cars. Yeah, it's really nice. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. Did you have fun?
I did.
So
it was nice.
And it was cool running into Sandy and Rock from
right.
Adventures at Rock. So be sure to check them out. I'll have all their information in the description. You guys take care. We're going to see some more cars. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.